Steady lang. Okay na nga. Let's go. Bebe. Ambing cellphone. I-video
You need
tika.
to be English.
I need to speak English? Why? Okay. So now,
Not Filipino.
we'll prepare the pan.
Now let's mikos again.
Okay, we'll put the pan the coke and then let's
Oil.
turn on the
Oil.
the stove and we will wait until the pan is dry. Sige na. Tapos na. Busog ito. Ito na to.
Now let's put oil. Ha? Ako.
We'll put pan the pan. And then, dili na nay. Gamang kay ko eh. Sigma, English na lang.
Sa mga itlog, babe.
Hmm?
Scramble. May dinner. Ano yun? Dali. You put you this one kasi.
Let's put it now.
No, it's not heat. Not already. Nay? Sige lang, Nay. Now, ibutang na ang naunsa man yung nag-vlog nga wala man gistorya. Wala man gistorya ang vlogger. Sige na. Gabi ng fork. Sige. Careful.
Let's put it.
Wow.
Can you scoop it?
Where? This one?
Yes.
Yeah, this is it.
Nice and clean.
And then, we will mix it or not? Or,
Okay.
okay. You do the rest. Sige na. Di man na magpilit. Sabi ako video, Biki. Wala na oh. Bebe, si ate mag-video. Okay. Careful ha. Bebe is cooking scrambled egg. Hi, Beb. Say hi to your vlog.
Hello, my subscribers.
Sige na, flip the, ano. Do you know how to flip the egg? Yes or no? No? May si ate mag-flip. Si ate or si Bebe? Sige, go! Go! Sige, flip. Like that now. Sige. 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 1, 2, 3. Yeah! Wow! Perfect!
This is the egg.
Look at the camera. Hi! Diba? Uy! Naunsa.
Can you show your face?
My face? No. I will not show my face because, you know, I'm a videographer. I'm not allowed to show my face. Then, what's next? Well, get some plate. And then, what's next?
Let's put it.
Okay. Alright. All done. Wow, very good. Pakita rin kang mama. No, wait lang. Wait lang. Oh.
Wait, there is more.
Okay na. Eh. Okay na. Ako na ning i-end ha. Or,
Bye-bye, my
Bye.
subscribers.